Hello guys, Dwago here. Dwago means to pray for all. I pray for all, and I request you all to please pray for all. And I hope you guys are having a good time in the Corona time. And here is the chapter number 3 of a book named Qualitative Research from Start to Finish, and the chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 of this book was covered in the previous videos from video number 1 to video number 9. And in the first slide of the video number 10, that is of today's video. So in the first slide of video number 10, we shall discuss the recap of the chapter number 2 of the book named Qualitative Research from Start to Finish, written by Robert K. Jin. And the chapter number 2 name was Equipping Yourself to Do the Qualitative Research. So in this chapter, we have discussed in our previous videos that how to read between the lines, how to handle the data, how to make the study team and the pilot study, and how to synchronize the results, the different results which we can have during the qualitative study, and then maintaining the research ethics, and then how to do the informed consent, and then how to establish the confidentiality. So these were the topics of chapter number 2 that is over. And now we are going to start the chapter number 3 named How to Start a Research Study. So in this video number 10, we shall discuss the first 4 topics of the chapter number 3. The first topic is how to start, and then the second topic is challenges to start. The third is originality of the study, and the fourth is the rest of this chapter. So moving to the next slide. So this is the slide number 1 of the chapter number 3, and the topic number 1 is how to start a research study. So the start of a research study or a qualitative research study or any research study needs a topic. First, a topic, define a topic, then collect the data or define the method to collect the data, and then define the possible sources of the data like field data or interview data or the direct contact with the participants, or the secondary source of data, that is by the internet or by the previously written articles or theses or dissertations. And then defining the study research question, and then conducting the literature review, and then research bias control by the researcher, and then documenting the data. And this is how, these are the 7 main steps of the qualitative research, or how to start the qualitative research, and then how to conduct an empirical study or empirical qualitative study. These have some steps. So these are defining something to investigate, like defining the topic, then collecting the relevant data by the primary sources first, and then by the secondary sources. So primary sources contain the field observations and the interviews, and the secondary sources contain the internet or the articles, previously written articles or thesis. Then analyzing and interpreting your results, and then drawing the conclusion on the empirical findings. Drawing the conclusions on the empirical findings and matching them with the previously extracted empirical findings of the previous articles or researches. So this is how to start a research study. Moving to the next slide. So while starting a qualitative study, you shall have some challenges to start it, and in this slide we shall discuss those challenges to start the qualitative study. So here it reads, the students have to read the syllabus and take exams and do some research. So these are the three basic purposes the students have to fulfill during his study in the university or the college. So students do not experience the assignments of practical work before doing a research, such as choosing a topic of the research, collecting the on data, doing literature review, using own instruments during research, recording the real life events in a systematic way, and then to draw the conclusion supported by the previous studies, and to refrain from presenting the own opinions in the research results. So, to overcome these challenges, students may seek guidance from the students who already have gone through all these phases and to take benefit by their experiences of doing the research. So these are the challenges, like how to have a topic, how to collect the data, how to do the literature review, how to use the instruments in the research, and how to record the real life events in a systematic way or in a data collecting way, and then how to draw the conclusion and how to reach on the results, and then how to refrain from putting your own thoughts or own opinions about the research results, because the research results are the results of the systematic research analysis, and not just the own opinions of any of the researcher. So these are the challenges, and to um, to overcome these challenges, you will have to seek the guidance from the researches of the students that have already done the articles and already have written the articles and already have published those articles or theses. So moving to the next slide. Now this is the basic issue, that how to maintain the originality of your study. So to maintain the originality of your study, it reads, originality of the study is not to use everything about the research that you created on your own. um, don't put everything new in your research, but what you should do is that you should mix your own new work into the work that is previously done in the articles and theses of the previous students or the previous teachers. Like you have to take a topic from the previous researches, but you should have to mold that topic into something new that was not already studied in the previous researches. Take a topic from the previous studies and then see that what about that topic has been happened and what about that topic is not done. So the thing that is not done about that topic should be the topic of your research and should be the question of your research, and you should explore or explain, or you should describe that what is not done about that topic previously, and you are doing that thing in your own research. So this is how you create the originality of your own study. From topic to conclusion, everything must be your own, but supported or rejected by the previously written articles, and cited and quoted work from those articles should be present in your research work. So take the previously done researches about a certain topic, and then take the idea of those researches and then think that what the new thing what is not present in the previous articles or previous topics. So you should make that thing which is not present in the previous articles about that topic the main topic of your study. So this is how you create the originality in your topic. And you should have to be such clever that your topic, the results of your topic must be rejected or must be uh, supported by the already present data in the previous articles about that certain topic which you are going to have, which are on which you are going to have a research in your new topic. So take the ideas from the previous literature and describe, explain, or explore the new aspects of that topic in your research, and that's how your research will become original with the help of those ideas and instruments and quotes and citations which are present in the previous studies, and take the methods for your study from the previous studies. So this is how you maintain the originality of your study. And moving to the next slide. So in the previous slides, we have discussed the chapter number 3, the first lead topics of the chapter number 3. And now in this slide, we shall discuss what the rest of the chapter presents. So this chapter discusses about the startup process, that how to start a qualitative research and how to design it, and then the 3 ways of defining the startup procedure, and then how to develop a study bank, the what is a study bank and how to develop it, and then the topic inquiry and the data collection, then sources of data, the primary and the secondary sources of the data, and then rewriting the research literature, how to do it, and detailing a new qualitative study by starting the field work and making the research questions, and then about the background knowledge, and then how to start a qualitative research. So all this is what we shall discuss in our next videos about the chapter number 3. So moving to the next. So as you guys know that Duago, and I am presenting the qualitative research lectures on the YouTube, and you can see my photo, the big photo or the professional photo in this slide. And the purpose of making this slide is on the right, on the top left corner there is a preview of my video. When you will open my video in the YouTube, then this kind of a preview will appear on your screens, and here the name in the red color, that is name subscribe, is written. So all you have to do is to click on the subscribe button that is in the red color, and please subscribe my channel, like my video, and share my video, and download my videos. And all I have to tell you, or all I have to request you, is to please subscribe my channel and be a Duago. Like I am a Duago and I pray for all, and you should be a Duago and you should pray for all. And be happy and stay happy, and stay tuned for my next videos, which I'm going to upload on the YouTube very soon, just for you. And stay happy, enjoy the life, and enjoy the corona time, and let it go, and let all the things go in a nice and a smoother way. So this is me signing off. Bye bye, and have a nice time, and be a Duago. Thanks guys, and bye guys.